Good day everyone, here's our math challenge for today. Now given the following equations, 2 raised to x plus 3y equals 1024 and 2 raised to 3x plus y equals 64, our goal is to solve for the value of x, y. Now special credits to RCQ Philippines for sharing this wonderful question. Now if you want to try this problem, just pause this video right now, and if you're ready, here's the solution. And I hope you pause this video. Now let's see if you got the correct answer. To answer this question, let's focus on the given equation. So let's start with the first equation. We have 2 raised to x plus 3y equals 1024. Now, take note that 1024 is a power of 2. This can be written as 2 raised to 10. Now, as you can see, the base are equal. They are both equal to 2. Now, to make the left-hand side equal to right-hand side, their exponent must be equal. Therefore, we can say that x plus 3y must be 10. Now, keep in mind that we have x plus 3y equals 10. Now, let's have our second equation. We have 2 raised to 3x plus y equals 64. And again, take note that 64 can be written as 2 raised to 6. Now, with the same reasoning, we can say that 3x plus y must be 6. Now, at this point, we will use the two resulting equation. We have x plus 3y equals 10 and 3x plus y equals 6. There's a lot of ways to solve for the values of x and y. Given these two equations, we can use elimination method, we can use comparison method, and we can use substitution. But in this case, I will choose the comparison method. To do that, let's multiply the second equation by 3. If we do that, we get 9x plus 3y equals 18. Now since we have 3y on both equations, now let's solve for the value of 3y. On the first equation, let's subtract x on both sides. And on the second equation, let's subtract 9x on both sides. If we do that, we get 3y on the first equation equals 10 minus x. And on the second equation, we have 18 minus 9x. Now since they are both equal to 3y, it directly follows that 18 minus 9x must be equal to 10 minus x. Now at this point, we can now solve for the value of x. Now add 9x on both sides. We have 18 equals 10 plus 8x. Subtract 10 on both sides. We have 8 equals 8x. And then divide 8 on both sides. Therefore, we get that the value of x must be equal to 1. Now since we have the value of x, our goal now here is to solve for the value of y. Now, to solve for the value of y, let's substitute the value of x on both equations. Therefore, on the first equation, we have 1 plus 3y equals 10. And on the second equation, we have 9 times 1 plus 3y equals 18. Now, simplify. And then, on the first equation, subtract 1 on both sides. And on the second equation, subtract 9 on both sides. So, we have, in both cases, we have 3y equals 9. Divide 3 on both sides. Therefore, we get on both cases y equals 3. Therefore, if x equals 1, y must be 3. It directly follows that if we have an equation 2 raised to x plus 3y equals 1024 and 2 raised to 3x plus y equals 64, the solution to this equation, or simply the value of x, y, must be equal to 1, 3. And as always, we're done.